Welcome to week 175 of my Ira Street renovation. This week, we're going to be in the wood shop, starting work on the fireplace mantle. Let's get cracking. Welcome to week 175. Before heading to the wood shop, here's a few shots from inside. Good evening, guys. I've been working on my sleds recently. This here is my 45-degree miter sled, and last night I tuned it and I got it to within 1/100th of an inch, but they say online you're supposed to get these to within 1,000th of an inch for them to be good. I think one of the limiting factors is my old calipers only goes to the 100th of an inch. This one goes to the 10,000th of an inch, so I'm going to redo this. Based on the math from the tuning on this, I only need to adjust this, not that much, about 1/100th of an inch anyways, but I'm going to retry it with my new calipers and just see if I can get a little bit better read on my tune. Alright guys, I've retuned the sled. Let's fire it up, do another 5-cut, and see if it's better. My sled passed this 5-cut test, so I can call it a night and move on to building the fireplace mantle next. On Saturday, I was at Costco for an eye appointment, so I picked up some large bags of flour from my baking projects. They should store nicely in these 5-gallon food-grade buckets. On Saturday, I start milling the Peruvian walnut for the fireplace mantle. The mantle will house my center speakers, so it will be constructed as an open box with mitered edges. Already, I'm putting my 45-degree sled to work. I'm going to cut the sides from the top board as well to create a seamless waterfall grain. On Monday, I'm baking some more sourdough. Down in the basement, the fireplace mantle is ready to be glued up. Using some tape, glue, and these band clamps, I can get a really tight, strong hold. That's a wrap for week 175. Thanks for tuning in, and until next week, happy renovating.